Candy. Good or bad? My name is Anna. I am 10 years old. I like candy very much. Candy is sweet, colorful, and fun. When I see candy in the shop, I smile. When I eat candy, I feel happy. But my mother often says, too much candy is not good. I think about this many times. Is candy good, or is candy bad? One day, I go to school with a big bag of candy. I share candy with my friends. They are very excited. We eat together during the break. The taste is very nice. We laugh, we talk, and we play. Candy makes the moments special. It gives us joy. My friend Tom says, candy is the best food in the world. We all agree. But later, Tom says his teeth hurt. He touches his mouth and feels pain. He looks sad. I remember my mother's words again. After school, I walk home. I see a small shop. In the shop, there are many candies. Red, yellow, green, and blue. I want to buy more, but I also think of my friend Tom's toothache. If I eat too much, maybe my teeth will also hurt. Candy is sweet, but candy is also sugar. Too much sugar is not healthy. I feel confused. At home, I ask my mother. She explains, candy can be good in a small amount. It can give you energy and make you smile. But too much candy is harmful. It can hurt your teeth, your stomach, and even your health. I listen carefully. She gives me an apple. The apple is also sweet, but it is natural. I eat it, and it feels fresh. It is different from candy. My mother says, fruit is better. Candy is a treat, not a meal. Next day, my teacher talks about food. She says, healthy food gives us strong bodies. Vegetables, rice, bread, fruit, and milk help us grow. Candy is okay sometimes, but not every day. I look at my friends. They all nod. We understand that candy is fun, but not healthy food. I start to see candy in a new way. It is not the enemy, but it is not a hero either. In the evening, I eat dinner with my family. We have rice, chicken, and vegetables. After dinner, my father gives me one small candy. He smiles and says, this is dessert, only one. I eat it slowly. I enjoy the taste, but I also know it is special because I do not eat it all the time. I feel happy and safe. Now I understand. Candy can be both good and bad. It depends on how much you eat. If you eat a little, it brings joy. If you eat too much, it brings problems. The best choice is balance. So, do I like candy? Yes, but do I eat candy every day? No. I eat candy sometimes, and that is enough.